Hey guys, Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we're doing another system test, fire alarm system test video is what I meant to say. So, we're gonna do it in just a couple of seconds. And just to clear the record straight, this is actually gonna be fire alarm system test 3. Now we did change the position, we no longer don't need a Allen key anymore. So I'm just clearing my throat. We now need have a key like this, and we just put it in, turn it, open it up, and as you can see, and as they take the camera off the tripod, just show you this. See, BG12L, which means BG12 lock. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull the position, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. And that was my phone going off, because this thing is hooked up to self-monitoring, which I don't pay for, so that's nice. So I'm going to open this up, flip the switch, close it, and relock it. Now currently the system moved from my bedroom into the garage. So, and the issue is that my garage is not heated, and if you can see here, even though it's set at 37, which is a fire zone in the house, it is sitting at 8 degrees. So we're going to have to jump to 2 terminals here. So I'm actually going to pull this thermostat off and try to see if we can hotwire the system just by jumping 2 terminals. So here we have a white wire and a red wire, so we're going to jump to 2 terminals from there. Get a conscious straight. There we go. There we go. And that is the end of the system test. Well, fire alarm system test is what I meant to say once again. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you. Hi guys. So just to let you guys know, this week we're going to be double uploading, so please be prepared for that. Anyways, once again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, my link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.